Hey everybody, and welcome to what will be the finale of the 2002 Ford Ranger series. That's right, the time has come for me to put this for sale since I got the new truck. So I figured I'd do one final walk around, kind of touch on what I've done to it. And of course, the entire playlist is available. And please do check out all those individual videos. If you're curious about what I've done in specific, I'll link that video series down below. So here we have my 2002 Ford Ranger Edge, and it is the single cab, two-wheel drive. The Edge model was kind of like Ford's version of a pre-runner, I guess. Looks like a four-wheel drive, but is a two-wheel drive. And I think a four-wheel drive was actually also an option for the Edge. Anyway, this one is on a 4-inch max track lift. And the tires are 33, 12, 5, 15. The tire brand is Joyroad MT200, and the wheels are Vision Manx, and I did paint those. They were black. They were on the truck when I bought it. I painted them this kind of bronzy color. And did the mirror conversion in a separate video. You'll see that. The truck is outfitted with all LED lighting, headlights, taillights, fog lights, turn signals, these spotlights, and the pre-runner bar was a very recent addition. See, the paint on this is in really good condition. No issues on the top surfaces at all. The windshield is actually original and also in very good condition. This has been actually a very good truck in the last few years that I've owned it. It's never left me stranded. It does have a trailer hitch, backup camera. Did the side steps. There's really so many things. I know I'm going to forget a lot of things I've done to this. Let's take a look at the inside. And here in the inside, you can see this truck is really in phenomenal condition. Did the gauge swap over to the white gauges. And the truck has, for current mileage, 127,577, which of course is pretty darn low for a 2002. I've got all the records and receipts and everything. The seat is not torn up. The seat is in darn near perfect condition. Same with the passenger. This has the replacement lid, which is actually made of metal covered in matching cloth. Again, LED lights. There's a HomeLink mirror there. I don't know if you can see that with the compass in it. Truck has replacement speakers, subwoofer, a Sony stereo with Apple CarPlay, and got some LED lighting. One is for the front spotlights, one is for the rear spotlights, and the AC blows cold. Factory fog lights. I did do the power window and lock conversion. Windows are working fine. The driver's side lock stopped working, and I haven't had a chance to figure out what's wrong with it. So I guess I'll just say that it does not have power locks currently. But I do have some extra actuators that came with it. Have a bed liner and a bed extender. And this is the Ford factory bed liner. LED third brake light. LED taillights. And license plate lamps. And those are the rear spots I was talking about down there. Tires, you can see nearly full tread on those tires. No curb rash. Let's take a look at the engine bay. Here we have the 3.0 V6. Very clean. Plugs, plug wires, fluids. I've always been very up to date on maintenance on this. Changed the diff fluid in the rear. Again, there's videos on pretty much everything I've done to this truck. The battery is maybe a month and a half old. Overall, I've been very, very happy with this truck. I loved every minute of it, but I just don't need two trucks at this point in my life. So the Ranger is pretty much, it's done in my mind. So it's gonna be for sale. Here's a shot of the front. LED headlights, fog lights. These are switchbacks, as are the front marker lights. Have videos on those. Personally, I'm just very, very happy with the way this truck looks. It's turned out exactly how I envisioned it. The rear spotlights I was talking about. Anyway, not a perfect truck by any means. Does have some light scratches. There's a little bit of, there's some door dings and stuff. Everything that was on the truck when I bought it. But the paint is not faded, and this truck gets compliments and looks pretty much everywhere it goes. You just don't see older Rangers like this on the road. They're usually, beat to death. Or if they're newer, like up to 2011, they're a lot more money. So the truck is going to be for sale locally, and may or may not be sold by the time you see this video. So this has been a lot of fun, and I want to thank everybody for all the positive comments and suggestions and encouragement over the last few years of doing this project. And I'm looking forward to changing my focus to the 2020 Tacoma. So for this project anyway, I'll be signing off. Let me know if you have any questions. And as always, we'll catch you on the flip side.